Welcome back. When it comes to raw power, bold design, and serious outdoor performance, nothing commands attention like a Bowie knife. From frontier-inspired classics to modern heavy-duty survival blades, Bowie knives continue to dominate in 2026. That whether you're a hunter, camper, collector, or survival enthusiast, let's jump right into the top 7 best Bowie knives you must own in 2026. Number 7. Uncle Henry Oakhaven 3 Full Tang Fixed Blade. The Uncle Henry Oakhaven 3 Full Tang Fixed Blade delivers a dependable Bowie-style design built for real-world outdoor use. This knife is made for those who want a practical, hard-working blade without unnecessary flash. Featuring full tang construction, the Oakhaven 3 offers solid strength from tip to handle, ensuring durability during demanding cutting tasks. Whether you're out camping, hiking deep trails, or adding to your survival kit, this knife is built to handle the essentials with confidence. The clip-point blade design gives it that classic Bowie character while maintaining functional versatility. The sharp tip allows for precise piercing and detail work, while the long cutting edge provides smooth slicing performance. From cutting rope and preparing kindling to handling food prep at camp, the blade shape adapts easily to different outdoor needs. The steel is designed to hold a working edge through repeated use while remaining manageable enough to resharpen when needed. Balance is one of the key strengths of the Oakhaven 3. Thanks to its full tang build, weight distribution feels steady in hand, giving you better control during extended cutting sessions. The handle is shaped for comfort and grip security, helping reduce fatigue and preventing slipping even in tougher conditions. That combination of comfort and structure makes it reliable for both beginners and experienced outdoorsmen. The knife typically includes a sturdy sheath for safe carry and convenient. This makes it easy to strap onto a belt or pack without worry. Overall, the Uncle Henry 113 stands out as a solid, budget-friendly Bowie-style knife that focuses on performance, durability, and practical outdoor readiness in 2026. Number 6. Cold Steel 1917 Frontier Bowie. The Cold Steel 1917 Frontier Bowie stands as a tribute to the rugged blades carried during America's frontier era. This knife captures that old-school spirit with a long, sweeping clip-point blade designed for serious cutting performance. From the moment you hold it, you can feel that this is not just a display piece. It's built to work. The blade length gives it impressive reach, while the clip-point profile enhances both slicing efficiency and piercing control. The steel construction is made to withstand demanding outdoor tasks. Whether you're clearing brush, processing kindling, or handling campsite chores, this knife provides the strength and durability needed for repeated use. It holds a working edge well and can be maintained in the field, which is essential for survival situations where reliability matters most. The blade thickness adds confidence during tougher jobs, giving it the backbone required for heavier cuts. The handle design complements the blade perfectly. It offers a firm, ergonomic grip that stays secure even during extended use. When performing powerful swings or controlled slicing motions, the balance feels natural and stable. That the solid guard protects your hand during forward thrusts or forceful cuts, enhancing overall safety and control. Another highlight is its traditional aesthetic. The 1917 Frontier Bowie carries a classic look that appeals to collectors and history enthusiasts, yet doesn't sacrifice modern durability. It bridges the gap between heritage styling and practical field performance. Paired with a sturdy sheath for safe carry and storage, this knife is ready for outdoor adventure. In 2026, the Cold Steel 1917 Frontier Bowie remains a standout option for those who appreciate historical design backed by real-world functionality. It's bold, dependable, and built to handle serious work when you need it most. Number 5. Warrivo D2-18 in Large Crocodile Dundee Bowie Knife. The Warrivo D2-18 in Large Crocodile Dundee Bowie Knife is a blade that instantly commands attention. Inspired by the oversized, iconic Bowie style made famous in pop culture, this knife isn't just about looks. It's built to perform an impressive 18 in overall presence and a massive clip-point blade. It delivers both reach and cutting authority that few knives in its class can match. The heart of this knife is D2 tool steel, a material known for its outstanding edge retention and wear resistance. This means the blade is capable of holding a sharp edge through extended cutting tasks without constant resharpening. Whether you're slicing through thick rope, preparing wood for camp, or tackling demanding outdoor chores, the steel is designed to endure serious use. The clip point profile enhances piercing strength while maintaining a long, sweeping edge for clean slicing performance. Despite its large size, the knife is designed with balance in mind. The handle provides a firm and secure grip, helping maintain control even when applying force. That a strong guard adds an extra layer of safety, reducing the risk of your hand slipping forward during aggressive cuts. This combination of power and grip security makes it more than just a display piece. While it's certainly bold and dramatic in appearance, the Warrivo D2 Bowie is built as a functional outdoor tool that it's ideal for collectors who appreciate statement blades, as well as enthusiasts who want a large, capable knife in their gear lineup. In 2026, this knife stands out as one of the most eye-catching and performance-driven oversized Bowie options available, delivering both visual impact and real-world cutting capability. Number 4. Cold Steel Leatherneck Bowie. The Cold Steel Leatherneck Bowie is a knife that commands attention both in design and performance. From the first glance, this Bowie stands out with its bold, aggressive styling. The wide, forward-weighted clip point blade is designed for maximum penetration and slicing efficiency, giving it the classic Bowie silhouette while also providing serious functionality for outdoor and tactical use. It's not just a visually striking knife. It's a practical tool built to handle heavy-duty tasks reliably. The Leatherneck Bowie is crafted from durable, high-quality steel, engineered to withstand the toughest cutting and chopping jobs without compromising its edge. This makes it ideal for survivalists, hunters, and campers who need a blade that can tackle wood processing, rope cutting, or even field dressing with confidence. The steel is also treated with a corrosion-resistant coating, making it reliable in wet or harsh environments, while maintaining a sharp, resilient cutting edge even after repeated use. One of the most remarkable features of this knife is its ergonomically designed handle. Deeply textured and shaped to fit the natural contours of your hand, it ensures a secure, non-slip grip in any condition, whether your hands are wet, sweaty, or gloved. The robust guard adds extra protection, preventing accidental slips during aggressive chopping or thrusting movements. This makes the Leatherneck Bowie not only a powerhouse for outdoor work, but also a safe and dependable tool for long-term use. Balance is another strength of this knife. While it's a large, intimidating blade, the forward weight is perfectly paired with a well-designed handle, allowing for controlled swings, precise cuts, and effective chopping without unnecessary fatigue. The included sheath is tough and reliable, providing secure carry options while keeping the blade protected when not in use. Number 3. Ka-Bar 1278. Ka-Bar 1278, a true icon among Bowie-style knives. Known for its legendary durability and rugged design, this knife has been a favorite of outdoorsmen, survivalists, and collectors alike. The Ka-Bar 1278 isn't just a pretty blade, it's a working tool built to handle the toughest tasks in the field. Its full-tang construction ensures maximum strength, meaning the blade and handle are one continuous piece of steel, capable of withstanding heavy-duty cutting, chopping, and even prying without bending or breaking. The blade itself is a perfect balance of form and function. Its clip point design provides a sharp, versatile tip ideal for piercing and detailed work, while the broad cutting edge excels at slicing and general camp chores. Whether you're processing firewood, preparing food, or clearing brush, the Ka-Bar 1278 gives you the confidence of a reliable, professional-grade tool. The steel used is carefully hardened to maintain edge retention, so even after repeated use in the wilderness, the blade stays sharp and effective. When sharpening is needed, it can be easily maintained in the field without special equipment. The handle of the Ka-Bar 1278 is ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in the hand, offering a secure grip even in wet or slippery conditions. This enhances both safety and control, reducing fatigue during extended use. The handle also features a protective guard, preventing accidental slips onto the blade during forceful cuts. Additionally, the knife comes with a durable sheath for safe storage and convenient carry, whether strapped to a belt or packed in your outdoor gear. What sets the Ka-Bar 1278 apart from other Bowie knives is the perfect combination of heritage, craftsmanship, and practical performance. That it looks impressive, but performs even better. This is a knife designed not just to be admired, but to be used. and it excels at every task a Bowie-style knife is meant to handle. For anyone serious about outdoor adventures, survival, or simply owning a classic, reliable Bowie, the Ka-Bar 1278 is a top-tier choice in 2026, and it's easy to see why it continues to earn respect in the knife community. Number 2. Cold Steel Natchez Bowie Knife. Cold Steel Natchez Bowie Knife, a blade that perfectly combines classic design, durability, and practical outdoor performance. This knife is built with a broad, high-quality steel blade featuring a traditional clip-point design that allows for precise slicing, powerful cutting, and dependable piercing. Unlike some decorative Bowie knives, the Natchez is designed for real-world use, making it a solid choice for hunters, campers, and survival enthusiasts alike. The blade steel is engineered to hold. Number 1. ESE Youngloss. Taking the top spot on our list is the ESE Youngloss, a true powerhouse among survival and Bowie-style knives. While technically a large survival knife, its long blade and robust design carry all the DNA of a classic Bowie. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel, the Youngloss is built to handle the toughest outdoor conditions without compromising durability. Its thick full-tang construction gives it unmatched strength, allowing you to chop, batten, and clear brush with absolute confidence. The blade itself is a perfect blend of size and utility. Its length provides extended reach for heavy-duty tasks, while the clip-point design maintains precision for slicing and piercing. The steel is tough enough to withstand repeated hard use, yet can be sharpened in the field when needed. This makes it ideal for camping, bushcraft, and survival situations where reliability is critical. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfort and secure grip even during extended periods of use. Textured scales reduce slipping and ensure maximum control even in wet or muddy environments. This attention to handling detail makes the Youngloss not only a strong blade, but also a comfortable and balanced tool that can be used all day without fatigue. What truly sets the ESE Youngloss apart is its versatility. Beyond its raw chopping power, it performs well for general outdoor tasks like cutting rope, preparing food, or building shelter. The IT comes with a durable sheath for safe transport, keeping the blade secure while on the move. Trusted by survivalists and outdoor professionals alike, the Youngloss stands as one of the most capable and respected large knives you can own in 2026 for anyone serious about having a reliable all-around survival blade. The ESE Youngloss is the ultimate choice. If you enjoyed this list, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which Bowie knife stays sharp. Stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next one.